Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television when they inside the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 to 11, we dey carry all the topic where they come out smoke inside Nigerian political arrangement. Drop and down, make it they come out hot like jollof. And you yourself get the opportunity to chook your long spoon from anywhere when you dey inside Obodo Nigeria to chook mouth inside this arrangement. Una know say we now the only television station when Fiki got to take use make pepper soup for you. We knock una with 3 telephone lines, come top them up with 1 toll-free line. Do something today. Share the number, give your neighbors. Tell them, say, from 10 to 11. Make them sit down, they watch their television, and make them call As E Dey Hot. Unkubi, time for you to redeem your image.
How?
How? What do you mean how?
No. Redeem my image. How? What do you mean by redeem?
What do you Oga Kule from Kaduna talk?
What do you call me by redeeming? I go still stand on the fact, say, look, EFCC.
You are not standing on any facts. Because there's nothing for you to stand on. There's nothing for you to stand on. Your leg they shake. You say they stand on any fact.
See, there is a length to what I will to collect from you. There's a length to the kind of yabbing, to the kind of insult I can collect from you. When did you try tell me say my leg is shake, say my leg no dey reach ground? Because of say you get height, it's not a criteria for you to just talk to me anyhow. I know say my leg no dey reach ground. So just stop all this.
Now you know what's in your mind. I say your leg they shake. Your leg they shake me say your leg say you know your
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Will they try address matter? Why can't they make a personal? Can't they address the statement to me personally? I know you've got height. You could be 6 feet tall, 7 feet. I don't care. My leg don't reach ground. Accepted.
I not to say your leg don't reach ground. I say your leg they shake.
My interpretation to it is different. That's why me take interpreter.
Why you gonna interpret my own talk? Now your talk.
You don't do literature. So if they give you literary time, you go interpret that the way you want. I don't want that from you. Oga Polycarp, good morning. I thought they warn you. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chibode.
Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
The video is getting hotter. Please, what is EFCC is trying to play is selective justice. And it's very bad for this so-called change era. First of all, the debate meeting. So they go, APC go plan strategy, when they go take make sure that Amechi says through as a minister. Without allegations on the neck of Amechi, and then they're trying to, they don't go under meeting again, no. They remember what happened to them during the time where they were voting for Saraki. If I come back again, it's against them. So maybe not say that the PDP are fools. And then when they don't say that all the whole APC senators are in support of what they are doing. Some of them who will break out from them will join the PDP and then they will come out that man from office. So somebody who went to the Dublin House, punished by former governor Peter Odili, and cleared the whole case, given a single spoon and the deliver for Government House. The big is still a sin. Let's go to Kaduna. And Rufai, although everybody knows that anybody who was the minister of Abuja was corrupt. Some of them sold land to their friends and wives and the concubines. Forget all those noise Alpha was making that anybody who gets paper to pull out all the allegations they get are correct. We should give them underland. He got a set in Abuja where he was there. They didn't start from that side. And now they go to Abadio. No problem. What goes around comes around. They continue like this. 4 years we finish before they know where it started. And then they will see under 10. Even if it's under 30, it comes up, not PGP. They will see this another development. Whatever happens, I pray that the Senate will not explain and allow Amechi to take a power and go. He doesn't have anything to take a power and go out. So he should be from the petition against him. And all the other senators from River State, let them make sure they don't of them support him. Because up to 50 senators or more against him, he will not go through.
Oga Polycarp. Thank you very, very much, Oga Polycarp. We don't hear your own opinion and
the opinion of plenty people for Nigeria when they talk one thing.
Ogo Obi, good morning. Obi from Aba. Ogo Obi, they call us back. Talk to us.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ogo
Obi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kobe, and good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Please, what you are saying today is very, very important.
Okay.
And I love it. The way two of you are fighting is the way we common people are fighting here in these places. Let me tell you the truth. Chukwudi tells the truth, and that is the truth.
Excuse me. This man is a man of God. Yeah.
Chukwudi is telling the truth, and that truth is how it is. Let me tell you. Come to Abia State. Come to Abia State. If you come to Abia State and see the level of undevelopment, then you will know that even that our own governor, where the senator now, where sit and there, nobody has written anything against him.
So what did they do?
The money that was to be used to build Abia State just was wasted, and nobody has even touched that man. Talk less of a whole about the man that built Akwa Ibom very well. Aba is very close to Akwa Ibom State. But there's no road from Abia here to go to Akwa Ibom, and Akwa Ibom is well developed. They are not even touching people that wasted money. They are not touching people that did something. Let them leave that man alone. If he went and stole even 3 trillion, nobody should touch him. Nobody should touch him because he did well. Let them go and try Amechi before he will become our minister.
Ogobi,
no way for him to be our minister.
Thank you very, very much for your contribution. But we will not go and encourage to make person they do it. They still waiting supposed day for the people. And apart from that, he mentioned about the former governor. It is the right of our own people to also do it. Send petition to the right people they're supposed to send to. If not EFCC or anybody, may they go investigate the past government of this particular person or got theology. Make now know whether they will pick them up from there. We get Oga Bash. Bash is calling us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Bash. Bash, good morning. Oga Bash, I beg, talk to us.
Oga Bash, you did here? Be like say the call of Oga Bash no connect.
I beg,
we go beg everybody when go try call us. Say I beg. Make una reduce the volume of our television. Find place where we say the network they clear so that we go hear you and the full Nigeria go hear your contribution. Unkubi, see the matter they see we don't need to even go far. Somebody just call us from Aba when we say he talk say even there for Aba, even they look like this, he go to see Akwa Ibom. What did he tell us? He tell us say Akwa Ibom na state when we say every governor supposed go do wetin carry book go dey learn as work they go. From the way when he don't explain that he don't show say he be like say EFCC they know they do their work or they need somebody to use Koboko reset them before then they work. He talk say in they live for Aba say their governor no do anything. Who could be EFCC don't investigate that investigation. I mean they want to also the money when they call it they don't say he come in man we build international hospital one class hospital.
Wait now talk here. What is wrong in these same people when they complain, say, na old governor, not do a particular thing? What is wrong in men are send petition to people not supposed to send that? Nothing is wrong in that. So what I say?
What Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, what will be their work? They beg police make a cash thief. No. You go beg police make a cash thief.
Chukwudi.
You go back police make a cash thief.
Chukwudi.
No, you go back police make a cash thief.
It is a due process.
Due process. Can you see yourself?
It is
and for probably your own, the due process come fast forward. For other people own, due process no follow anywhere. Tell me which state for Nigeria, after all the money when they collect, anything, even
but is that a criteria for you to say, make you still?
But maybe we see say,
is that a criteria for you to say,
if work, they go round. Make them know they select. Make them know they select people. Hey, this man, he be like say this man, people love him. Oh, this man popular. Pam, we follow this one. Hey, this one, like this one popular. Pam, they follow this one. Why is there selection? No, answer the question. Why is there selection?
Oh, if they mention selection, there was selection when they interrogated Timi Progressive.
Interrogation.
There was selection when they interrogated the OTB name. Oga Audu.
As they interrogate, why then they leave some people out?
Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. Good morning.
Now, good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Bobby.
This Amechi, the matter tire me. It can't make me go do my own research of this guy matter. Okay. Because they keep on they sing the guy, they corrupt, he do this, he do that. I won't play something back for Namon, I remember. You remember when he was the governor of Rivers State where he get problem with former president? And I remember, Sha.
Mm-hmm. We remember
when they say police they block, where police they block road, police they harass them, they do this, they do that. You know where the problem is. Do you remember say EFCC investigates Amechi for corruption?
Mm-hmm. Why?
to tell you, say, the man not the corrupt, but we are just playing all this nonsense of a thing that say, Amaechi they corrupt. If good luck with them get problem, a president at that time, with them get problem. They consent EFCC to investigate Amaechi for corruption. EFCC not guys, if you want really commot Amaechi for power at that time, that's not the period where Amaechi for getting problem. So, but to tell you, say Amaechi is not corrupt. So these are just propaganda whether they carry on this man's name, say they corrupt. So we make me believe, say Amaechi is not corrupt. If you get misunderstanding with the president of a country, if you want to come out for power, then at the period you go say, okay, I'm gonna find something to remove this man from power. So to tell you, say the man or the corrupt. Then this former governor, whether they arrest, I not be say that the press now just investigation.
Yes.
They call him, say me come for interrogation to just hear from his side. Then he go get to give his statement. Finish. When he give his statement, then and there AFCC for go do investigation of the whether the thing not true or not lie. So it's not an arrest. It's an investigation. So not be matter when we say we got to say that the president do this. So now president not get to do anything with the EFCC. So move forget that issue. So that will be a topic where we say they're going to carry any idea because we are misinterpreting the whole thing. That's what I want to contribute for today.
Oga Bobby, thank you very, very much for that.
Oga Bobby, you don't be very important.
You don't bring her from a different angle. And this angle, Chukudi, we say go need to go do everything. Carry out our own investigation.
No, they tell me say we go.
Now, me and you go do it.
Now you go do your own.
So you go fit take your own eye see.
You go do your own.
Take your own eye see and say yes.
No, they tell me say we go do. Which one we go do our investigation? And the petition no gree go.
Oga Victor, calling us from Port Harcourt. Good morning, Oga Victor.
Good morning, Professor Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
How do you feel today?
You're fine. You
are looking elegant.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I want to contribute to the topic. You understand? The thing where they for this country, they say, they go a state. The time where APC government go call state, Nigeria go move forward. I never see change inside this government. Because the way when they do things, all these things are what is called witch hunting. Now I tell you something. APC, now PDP, where wolf, Congo, we are cheap clothes. Now me I take APC. Now PDP people, we go change to say the APC, call rebel against their party. You understand me? What are you expecting them to do? You are not expecting anything. It's just the same thing the way they were at before. Now you go see they go on. You understand? The thing where they do, they say, make Buhari tell us truth. Here are the government, which way in Nigeria? Now they ask them, which way? Where will they go? Will they go forward or will they go back? Waiting happen.
I believe still they go forward.
They say, make they know they deceive us. We are not thieves. You understand me? And then if we go to school, we know what is happening and we have traveled. Many of us don't travel. You understand me? Them that the thing where French people they call best of the same feather. You understand me? Best of the that is Mempri Mentaba. And French people they call them Mempri Mentaba, PDP, APC, now Mempri Mentaba. The same thing, the same motto. Now they carry then they go. They can't wait and go start to tell Nigeria to start deceiving us, start playing propaganda. Now Nigeria go move forward. Make I tell you. Arrest Akpabio, arrest Amaechi, now the same thing. Make I tell you. If he will be president where they are now, if he look at go, the time when don't enter president, you understand me? That's most when same Nigeria no get money for our account. In one time he say, NNPC they work. Those money where NNPC work for during that most day, it's Nigeria INP treasure. Then Nigeria does the same crude oil. If crude oil now ₦1, Nigeria know they sell. All this way then they talk. The team say Nigeria, we know they tell ourselves truth. Me I know they say I come from here. I may say if Nigeria better. It's better for you and
yes.
It's better for you to go there. You understand me? It's better for your picking where you go born. Even here where we place though. In picking there here they go school. All this is where they go address the problem where they for Nigeria. They just they beat around the bush. But address our problem. We need water. We need good road. We need education. You understand me?
Yes.
We need all these things. So this is where they talk. They are beating around the bush. Let them go straight to the point.
Oga Victor. Because your name now Victor and your name now, the meaning of Victor now like overcomer. I mean, right about now, don't be so relaxed. I mean, I don't turn born again on top of this matter.
Why you don't go turn born again?
No.
When 50 people, when
I mean born again,
50 people went on.
Make you know the angle of born again. What I turn am into?
Which born again you turn into?
Say, look, no matter anybody, be it PDP, be it anybody, be it any political party, as long as they interrogate them in all fairness, say they interrogate this person, make the court say yes, result day for the interrogation. And because they see development in all aspects, in all states. So which again we want to could.
All this stuff where you
why
talk.
I don't talk
all this stuff where you talk.
I was moved by his talk.
It don't get any meaning.
Now for your own mind.
Because you make excuse for all the people who don't call now to fire your point when your point when not even hold water at all. Your point don't hold water at all.
Don't tell me my point.
You started this argument by saying if EFCC don't.
I started this argument by saying
if
they don't carry out the investigation, they don't see anything in this person. What did they there?
Why they go carry investigation for Akpabio? Don't carry investigation for other people.
Make we go break.
Now you need the break.
Now, not times I mean the
tide is against you.
The tide will be against you.
It's already against you.
Finish. I bet we'll go break. There are still more calls coming.
Which call? When 15 already. We don't reach the final bus stop of Aside Hot. And from here, go to the end of the show. We go just they wrap all our arguments up. What do they discuss? Now, Akpabio EFCC invitation, corruption fight or monkey hand. And the way people don't look the issue, plenty people don't talk, say, if Oga Godswill Akpabio, na person when we say EFCC don't decide, say, they want to investigate. Say, get plenty people too when we say they're supposed to investigate. Ezuku Chukudi Anunku be there inside studio, and we still collect calls to discuss the matter as it is hot.
Well, just what you don't talk now. We know say yes, investigation, not be something where they stop, and we also believe say yes. EFCC don't start up some move, and we also believe say at least with this step, subsequent interrogation, subsequent this thing request go also come from people of different states demanding for a particular past government to be investigated or to be probed over how they manage money. At least we don't see a typical example of how they go on now, whether they grill the Dakingari, one of the governors, one of the ex-governors of the northern states over an alleged particular sum of money. So now what do they demand for? You see, now that same process what they tell you Chukudi. It is say
which process? What if they even talk self? As in, you go just carry one talk, confuse yourself, talk the other talk. Usman Dakingari, what thing concern Usman Dakingari now with this case what they discuss? Say the right petition against somebody, he be like say EFCC fold their hand. The right petition against another person, he be like say EFCC wake up. Maybe what do they discuss here? Why face one person and leave the other person?
For the talk now,
you come and say,
Dakingari now ex-governor, and now EFCC capture.
The one with the right petition against, why they never do anything? Now what do they talk with that? Why you they come here?
All these matters are joined. All joined.
We join.
We go talk the way we're supposed to talk
from different angles. No, just even annoy me yourself.
No times me I no annoy you.
Oga Chukudi from Owerri. Oga Chukudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukudi, my brother.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, Kubi.
Good morning.
Honestly, when they try, when they talk the matter as it be, but when I'm afraid to agree at a certain point.
Oh.
Let me come in this way. It's a party for a governor. If you never go Akwa Ibom, you're not going to understand. If you go Akwa Ibom, you're going to say this man is God sent.
Oh.
The man performed very well. But to perform very well, no be licensed to misbehave or to abuse that particular office of the government in terms of using it to defraud the people. You see, secondly, if you know carry salt for your body, you know go the fear rainfall. If you know carry salt, you know go fear rainfall because salt and rainfall don't they work out together. Only when you carry salt, you go to not fear rainfall. Two, we say, in an attempt to discredit a righteous man, you are making him popular. If Oga Akpabio no get any matter at all, you no get any wala, make it just go answer them. What if the warriors they say, make this invitation to EFCC on the basis of corruption, make it not be one-sided. Well, nobody's worried about corruption cases. Fine. Even if you have done something, you are using public funds, public resources, taxpayers' money to execute those jobs. It's not your money. So you have to account for it at any point in time.
But the point we are trying to make is this. If you are doing that particular corruption cases, make it not be one-sided. That's the point. Like I said before, if you don't carry salt for your body, you don't go fair and fall. Invitation to come, not to come and, Oga, you there for office so time, this money will enter your state coffers, now public fund, now people's money. I can't how it take be. Not be bad thing. You go now state how you take use the money. Only when you now do some corner, some uru, whatever, you go down the fear. So my own be saying, if EFCC invites anybody, make the person go there. Carry his report card, show them. And then he go back. It's only when they now begin to wish hunt, Nigerians go no. But for this one, not to come and tell us, okay, how you take perform. It is only when you carry salt, you go to now fearing for to beat you. Thank you and God bless.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very, very much. You see, Oga Chukwudi is being fair on this matter. He is not.
Waiting me in submission at the end.
No, his submission.
No, waiting me in submission at the end.
No, he's being fair.
Let us make sure that it is what? It is transparent. Let us make sure that it is what?
Oga Sam from Ikotu, good morning.
Good morning, Ezio Chukwudi.
Oga Sam, I greet you, sir.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Oga Sam, good morning to you.
Yes, let me start biblically for two of you. There was a man called Lazarus. He was to see Jesus Christ, but his height or his structure would deny him of seeing Jesus Christ. He went to the sycamore tree and climbed. But behold, the eyes of the Lord was upon him. I said, come down, so that I'm visiting you. Chukwudi,
sir,
relax your mind. Nkubi, face the camera. Forget about party politics now. We are talking about Nigeria as a nation. The soul of this country is becoming unbearable to take side with anybody. Whoever asks God must face the public domain. The moment you are accused of allegation, you must face the law as it's supposed to be. Take example. Lamode is a police officer heading EFCC. From the time the allegation has reigned the whole air that the money collected from Alamesia and former IG Balogun, he cannot account for 1 trillion. He has been silenced. That is number one. Number two, the people of Western are saying that Amechi is corrupt. In the course of the election last year somewhere, Amechi flew aircraft into Osun State and a governor. And he did not hand over to his predecessor. He said he handed over less 10 billion. That can't be. A tribunal was set up. This man, Amechi, flouted going to the tribunal to account for his misdemeanor. And it's not being called upon. It is obvious that his investment in APC is trying to give him misappointment. But at the same time, if the Senate says that they want to put aside every corruption act of Amechi and say yes to him, so may it be. But I am saying that if we want good governance, let us import foreigners to become EFCC members. Let us import foreigners to become judicial officers. Otherwise, what was in this country, we are about to face. At 2019, they will face the nation. As one was said, the hour will come, we will take our destiny to our own hands. Good morning and God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
Sam, thank you very, very much. The way you wrap up all these our points, we don't even need to go. We don't even need to go further because case closed.
No,
you don't see. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wait.
You don't see him from what everybody can talk.
Be fair about this argument. Be fair about this argument. Be fair about this argument.
Say the fight they open and transparent.
Nobody said it's not open, and nobody said the government should not make it open.
Why you call they selective?
Selective from which angle?
One person and the other person is scot-free.
No. Okay.
Even governor wait, talk, say, make everybody calm down. Say he go EFCC office and he go answer all the questions. Why they even
No. Why they mention the
who could be the right petition against somebody with no right petition?
Chukwudi.
The right petition with no right petition.
Chukwudi.
When you don't get point, now you go they call my name as excuse. Our people when they pass, we always talk and say Nigeria and our country you know go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Make una know one thing. If our government don't talk say they won't fight against corruption so that the country go better for all of us, make we give them our support. And as Nigerians, we will continue to talk because this country belongs to all of us. See, don't look, no go work because no other country go accept us as children of that country except for Nigeria. God bless Nigeria.
God bless Nigeria. And
why you be saying that my God bless? Now you talk. Why you not talk your own?
Now, back to talk, say God bless Nigeria.
God
bless me, God bless you, God bless Nigeria. And then make our government ensure, say, the corruption fight, at least, they circulate around. I mean, she be now you
go mind yourself. Why if you say after talk God bless, then you talk God bless? When you want my bless and your bless,
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.